So in this next example, we're basically taking our x squared. We're reflecting it about the x-axis. OK? So we see reflection about the x-axis. We know that's going to be our transformation A. Horizontal compression, we know everything with horizontal compression is going to be our B. And then we also know we're shifting it left 2 units. Now, this one's very important, because a lot of students will get this one wrong. All right? And it really comes into using your parentheses. All right? So make sure, if you guys remember like those equations up there, like when you have bx minus c, make sure that is in parentheses. Right? Make sure you understand that you got to have that b factored out. Or when we're writing the equation of our f of x, like if you guys remember that, make sure that b is been factored out. So for instance, in this equation, if you write in your, do we need an a? Yes. Do we need a b and a c? Left 2 units, that's a c, right? So I'm going to write this as b times x minus c. And then do we need a d? Is there anything going on with d? Shift up? No. So we can just go from here. Oh, shoot. That's x squared. So that's your function, which are a, b, and c. So then we go back and we say, all right, what's a? Well, if it's reflect the x-axis, that means it's just going to be a negative. So we can just write -1 or to negative. Our b, if it's a horizontal compression of 2, then obviously we can write a 2. And then if it's left 2, that means we're going to be adding, right? OK, that is correct. However, a multiple choice exam or a multiple choice question is probably not going to have that as the answer. What they're going to do is they're going to distribute that. So they're going to make it look like this. OK? And just be careful. The one problem I don't want you to do is have it written like this, because this would probably be a good answer choice. Like, that would probably be a good answer choice. And a lot of people will probably choose that one, too. They'll say, oh, left 2, horizontal compression, right? It's good. But remember, guys, we looked at the graphs, and we realized that this is deceiving, right? Or this is deceiving. You would think it's going 4 left. But in reality, it's actually 2 left, because you've got to factor out that b, right? So you just got to be very, very careful on this. Make sure you use those parentheses. Make sure you write it with parentheses. Don't just go b and c. All right? Yes? No? Question? Huh? Yeah, it's fine. OK. All right. Now let's get into the last one.